Real estate is a powerful tool for building wealth. It's an asset that can provide cash flow, appreciation, and leverage. In 2024, opportunities abound for savvy investors. Interest rates are stabilizing, opening doors for new buyers. The demand for housing remains strong, driven by population growth and urbanization. This demand creates a favorable environment for investors. Rental income can provide passive income streams. Property appreciation can build long-term wealth. Entering the real estate market can seem daunting for beginners. Many challenges exist, but don't be discouraged. Understanding these hurdles is the first step to overcoming them. One major challenge is property selection. Location, condition, and potential returns must be carefully considered. Financing is another obstacle for many. Securing a mortgage with favorable terms requires a good credit history and a solid financial plan. Thorough research is crucial for success in real estate. Start by understanding market trends. Analyze supply and demand dynamics in your target area. Familiarize yourself with local laws and regulations. Learn about property taxes, zoning ordinances, and tenant rights. This knowledge will help you make informed decisions. Study successful investors. Their experiences can provide valuable insights and strategies. Section 4. Start small, dream big. You don't need a fortune to start investing in real estate. Many people think they need to have a large sum of money to get started, but that's not true. Begin with a small, manageable investment. This could be your first step towards building a substantial portfolio. A condo, a townhouse, or even a small rental property can be a great starting point. These types of properties are often more affordable and easier to manage. By starting small, you can learn the ropes without taking on too much risk. This approach allows you to gain valuable experience. Focus on understanding your personal finances. Create a budget, track your expenses, and save diligently. Knowing where your money goes each month is crucial. A strong financial foundation will give you the flexibility to seize opportunities. When you have your finances in order, you can act quickly when a good deal comes along. Remember, every journey begins with a single step. Don't be afraid to take that first step, no matter how small it may seem. Your dreams are within reach. Section 5. A winning formula. Let me share a story about Sarah, a young woman who started small and achieved remarkable success. Sarah's journey began with a dream and a modest budget. She was determined to make a mark in the real estate world. Sarah purchased a modest duplex, living in one unit and renting out the other. This strategic move allowed her to minimize her living expenses while generating rental income from the other unit. She diligently reinvested her rental income, gradually expanding her portfolio. Each new property added to her growing empire, and she carefully selected investments that promised steady returns. Her secret? She prioritized cash flow, ensuring her rental income covered her expenses. By focusing on properties that generated positive cash flow, she built a sustainable and profitable business. Sarah's story illustrates the power of patience, discipline, and a focus on cash flow. She understood that real estate success doesn't happen overnight. It requires careful planning and long-term commitment. You can replicate her success by following these principles. Start small, reinvest your earnings, and always prioritize cash flow. With patience and discipline, you too can build a thriving real estate portfolio and achieve financial independence. Section 6. Never stop learning. In the ever-changing landscape of real estate, one thing remains constant: the need for continuous education. The real estate market is constantly evolving. New opportunities and challenges arise every day. New trends emerge, regulations change, and economic conditions fluctuate. Staying informed is crucial to making sound investment decisions. Continuous learning is essential for staying ahead of the curve. Attend seminars, read industry publications, and engage in discussions with peers. Network with experienced investors to gain insights and share knowledge. Embrace technology to streamline your processes. Use online tools to analyze properties, manage finances, and stay informed about market trends. Leverage software to enhance your efficiency. The more you learn, the better equipped you'll be to navigate the dynamic world of real estate investing. Knowledge is power, and in real estate, it can be the key to your success. Now go make your mark on the world of real estate. With dedication and continuous learning, you can achieve great things in this ever-evolving industry.